Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 15th of September, 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content we discuss does not reflect our opinions. It's simply a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk and Oracle founder Larry Ellison recently had a dinner meeting with NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, where they reportedly pleaded for more AI GPUs. This comes as Oracle plans to build a Zeta-scale AI supercluster, surpassing Musk's xAI Memphis supercluster. Oracle is also exploring alternative power solutions for its data centers, including modular nuclear reactors and mobile generators. Elon Musk's prolific tweeting continues, with over 145 tweets in a single day. His interactions predominantly feature right-wing figures, and he has been vocal about his support for Donald Trump. Musk's tweets also include criticisms of the media and discussions on election fraud, reflecting his personal echo chamber on the platform. An earthquake in the tri-state area prompted a resurgence of activity on Twitter, highlighting the platform's historical role during crises. However, the article notes that since Musk's takeover, Twitter has become dominated by spam and misinformation, undermining its effectiveness in disaster response. Elon Musk has criticized the Australian government over proposed legislation to combat disinformation, labeling them as fascists. This has drawn backlash from Australian politicians who emphasize the importance of national sovereignty. Musk's comments are part of ongoing tensions with Australia regarding technology regulation. Musk has shifted the blame for potential delays in colonizing Mars to Kamala Harris, claiming her presidency would hinder such projects. This statement follows a presidential debate where Harris reportedly outperformed Trump. Musk's remarks reflect his frustration with the political landscape and his support for Trump's re-election campaign. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories. Join us again tomorrow for more news on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and informed.